of graduation. Welcome to Cohort-9 graduation. I can see Miss Damilola, Mr. Matthew, Mr. Franklin. I welcome you all. And I'm happy and I'm sure you are glad to be present for today's graduation. We are celebrating you people. You've done well for the past 2-3 months and it's time to just celebrate you. So I'll be introducing myself formally. I guess we will introduce myself again. Then every one of us will introduce ourselves. So
Damilola Oyindamola, and I'm based in Ilorin, and I'm a medical doctor.
Franklin, I'm a personal assistant. I'm based in Abuja.
My name is Matthew Eja. I'm based in Lagos. I'm a logistic manager for.
All right, I'm just sharing my screen.
okay.
So let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen, Mr.
Can you see my screen? All right,
Yes,
so good morning. Okay. All right, so good morning, everyone. My name is Olabi Damilola Oyindamola, and I'm a Cohort-9 student from Labano Academy. So this is my final project, and the title is Bike Sales Analysis between the year 2011 to 2016. It's bike sales by thoroughly analyzing transaction data to pinpoint the key performance indicators, to know the customer demographics, that's the locations, the product performance, and the sales trends. So the objective basically is to uncover actionable insights that will inform strategic decisions to boost revenue, profitability, and then customer satisfaction. A workflow process. So I collected the data, which is the data collection. Then I had to clean my data as well, which is the data cleaning. And then I was able to get some insights and some analysis from the data that was cleaned. And then I visualized it. That's the data visualization. And I made some recommendations to the CEO and to the company. And then I had a conclusion as well. So this is what the unclean data set looks like. So this is what it looks like. And then, so these are some of the data cleaning process I had to do. First of all, I had to structure my data. After structuring my data, I had to recalculate some of the profit, the cost, and the revenue, just to be sure that it was properly calculated. And I noticed that there were some errors, so I had to recalculate it using some different formulas and functions. And then I had to calculate the gross profit margin as well using the formula product category. So after getting that, I was able to visualize the data set. So I'm going to zoom in. So you can see the KPIs here that I just talked about. And then I use a line chart for the sales trend by month. And from the line chart, you can see that the highest sales was in December, which was $10,158,080. And the lowest sales was in February.
Yes, click on it just once. Good.
Okay.
Now click on this height. Now click on this height. There's height currently on. Yes, click on height. Yeah. So please, you can proceed now. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. So my project is a project for a bike sales company in Europe. The name of the company is Cyclecraft. So Cyclecraft sales reports 2011 to 2016. We get the sales data from 2011 to 2016 for Cyclecraft. Then the next thing was the data cleaning and preparation. Next was the data analysis, and then data visualization, going forward to insights generation and recommendations. So this was our unclean data. It was we got it on a CSV file on Excel. It was unstructured and had some the products. Total customers or total products sold 113 and 36. The total sales 95 million. In the revenue and profit, it follows almost the same distribution. The revenue and profit were more in 2015 than any other years. Trend of revenue by month, we see that in June in December, there were more sales in December, followed by June. So we used a line graph to show this trend. The top 5
Again, this is a sales performance report for White Mart Company Limited, a company that's situated in Europe, and it's led by, and it's to be presented by myself. To carry out this project, we brought up a process workflow, which comprises of getting the data, analyzing the data, cleaning the data, then of course presenting all that was gotten from the project in a visualized form, that's a pictorial form, and then we also have the total units that were sold in the period to be 1.3 million units. That's 1,345,316 units, and gross profit also total 32,221.
It's
Okay,
just
can you see
5
this?
minutes. Yes, yes.
Okay, good morning, everybody. I'm presenting my final project. This is a Power BI presentation on the shop-based fashion world 2029 to 2009 to 2020. Basically, this project gives insights and analysis of all fashion products that are available or that has been available from 2009 to 2020 of this company. First step was uh, data collection, which was already provided for my project, and data cleaning. I had to do some data cleaning by importing it to my Power Query, and I gave data, I'm sorry, analysis and insights. I visualize the data, limitation, conclusion. Sorry, this is my process walkthrough rather. Then this was what the data set looked like. Initially, it was an Excel file. So I had to import it on Power BI and then Power Query and did some analysis on it. Looks like, which was imported to Power BI. And then from this clean data set, I was able to give the following insights and analysis. We have the boys section, the girls section, the men's section, the unisex section, and the women's section. So I was able to create bar charts, column charts, and line charts to further explain some insights. Like this one, this is
Let me pick one more. This is called, I guess, our Cohort-9. All right, so let's proceed now. Okay, so first of all, I want to say congratulations on completing the data analytics course.